Hello guys, I am Yashasvi Sangvi and I am back with another video. Today we are going to create something using just two shades. We are going to use iCraft stencils, silver foil, on it frame by Anuarts, a decoupage paper, glue and varnish by iCraft, white chalk paint, gliding glue, the black chalk paint and a MDF plank. Now for the first step, I am just making a mix of white and black color. As you can see, I am just applying both the colors randomly and I am creating a shaded effect. You have to follow the same process to cover the whole plank. Now once you are done with your whole plank, you need to place your on-it frame on the plank, and on the leftover area, I am making equal divisions using my masking tape. Now I will be taking my dark secret chalk paint and I will give a rough shaded effect. Now I will take the white color and do the same thing from the bottom. You can see how pretty the divisions are looking. Now I am taking a stencil and I am just giving a very light effect. Now using another stencil, I am taking my gliding glue and I am doing a random stenciling using gliding glue. We are using gliding glue on the areas where we need to apply the foil. Now you can see the way I am applying the silver foil onto my article. Similarly, we have to cover all the areas where we have applied the gliding glue. Just clear your surface once you are done. Now I am taking the same stencil and using the black color, I am giving some reverse effects. Now it's time to paint our on-it frame. Now using the same colors, the black and the white, I am just giving a random shading to my on-it frame. You can even paint it solid. You have to glue the upper layer. I am using the same decoupage glue, you can even use a Fevicol. Make sure that your frame is stuck well. Now I am applying gliding glue at the edges of the on-it frame and I'll do a little bit of silver foiling. Silver foiling is going to change the complete look of the frame. Remove the foil from the edges. Now using a simple glue, I am placing the on-it frame on my base. Now these are the cutouts of the decoupage paper I showed you at the starting. I am just applying decoupage glue on my surface and I am placing the paper. Just make sure that there are no air bubbles while placing the paper. I am just making a random arrangement using the cutouts from the floral paper. Now I am taking the dark secret chalk paint and I am just going to give a shadow effect at some of the places where the background is light. Make sure that you blend the color using water. If you wish, you can apply the same process on the whole motif also. Now I am just splitting some of the white chalk paint on my piece. Now this is a Home Sweet Home MDF. This is also from iCraft. I am just painting it using the same black and white color. Now I am applying glitzy gel to give a 3D dimension to my MDF embellishment. Now again using the same stencil, I am just filling the leftover area. Now using a flat brush, I am just applying varnish all over my piece. You have to cover the whole piece using decoupage varnish. And our project is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. Thank you.